Hi, I'm Andrew with Crawford Company, here today with your tech tip. I'd like to discuss the Bryant ductless mini-split systems with you today. Do you have a problem area in your home, such as an attic bedroom or a four-season room or a new addition that you've added to the home? The Bryant ductless mini-splits can be a great solution for that. These units provide heating and cooling through one simple head and can bring comfort to all of those areas that the traditional system would neglect. With a variety of options to put into your home, whether it be the high wall head, a floor unit, or even a ducted option with this ductless equipment, we'll find a solution that brings comfort to your home again. Each of these units is independently controlled, which means you don't have to worry about what the temperature at the main thermostat is set at to have comfort in these problem areas. Please give Crawford Company a call today and ask about the Bryant ductless mini-split systems.